Okay kids, what is Papa doing now? He might have lost his mind, but you've heard that before. So listen, we're gonna do a thing on the griddle. It's like a stir fry, but not. Now, I'm on kind of a healthy kick. It's the new year. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take these shaved Brussels sprouts and we're gonna cook them with some Big Papa Smokers Desert Gold, which is up by the cooker, and some Hallelujah lime. And we're gonna get those about halfway done. And then we're going crazy with some carrots. Underneath the carrots is something you've never seen in a stir fry before. Broccoli, shaved broccoli. Kind of from a broccoli salad, but it's fine. And then last, I'm gonna fold a little bit of cabbage because all the hip kids are eating cabbage now. All right, let's make the sauce because we're gonna have a really neat sauce. This is some Thai sweet ginger sauce. Okay, this is Trader Joe's. You can use anybody's you want. Put the whole bottle in there. Now, a couple other things while I'm talking. We have some shrimp we're gonna cook on the flat top too. And with this same sauce, I think it'll be really cool. Okay, look, we got this part of the sauce. Next, this is really tough. Maybe a half a teaspoon. This is gochujang paste, it's not sauce. It's a Korean hot sauce. You can use sriracha if you want, but here's how much we're using. A dollop. Because I like sweet, I like heat, so we'll put some heat in there. Next thing, some low sodium soy sauce. We're just gonna kind of sprinkle, let's probably about a half a teaspoon too. Now, I've got some healthy noodles, which actually exist. I have some David Chang Momofuku noodles, which is for little Louie, and I have some keto ramen I found for me. So let's give this a taste. Oh, just the right amount of heat. How did I do it? Maybe a little more sodium in here. Okay, so we're gonna cook on the griddle. But what we're gonna do that's really fun is we're just gonna use a little avocado oil, get them nice and soft and maybe a little bit of browning, a little caramelization. And then right at the end, we're gonna pour a little bit of this sauce in and toss it real good, and then quickly get it to a bowl. We're gonna lay the vegetables on top of the noodles and then the shrimp, and it'll be a really healthy, really tasty deal. So I'll see you out by the cooker. We'll have a blast. Okay kids, here we go. Always fun here with Popster. Just some avocado oil on this. It's a little base. It'll get a little heavier. Let's take our onions, our shaved Brussels sprouts, cook these bad boys up. Some good stuff here. Hallelujah lime. A little citrus in there, brighten it up, a little sodium, and a little jalapeno. Desert Gold, a little more citrus with some lemon, some garlic, onions, everything. So here we go. We want to get them a little brown though. We don't want to just get them hot. We want to caramelize them slightly. Go to this side. And here's some more avocado oil. Then we're going to do our carrots and our broccoli. Some more Desert Gold. A little sesame is going to help us out too. A little more Hallelujah lime. More avocado oil. I really like avocado oil because its burn temperature is 500 degrees, which is just awesome. Put our shrimp in the middle here. Hallelujah lime, of course, so you already know that. Desert Gold. We're starting to get some nice browning. I don't want to brown the broccoli as much as soften it and the carrots. Now, some of that sauce. So this is kind of a non-traditional stir fry, but I really like it. So, This is where I want it. Now the cabbage we're just going to singe. Hallelujah, lime. Brussels are just where I want them. So these are coming off. So these shrimp are looking pretty good. I want to get them a little more caramelized. So bump the temperature up. Move them over to this side a little bit. Get some of that sauce in the cabbage carrot mixture. Now we got to be quick here. We're going to take the David Chang noodles. Now to get my caramelization on the shrimp, we are so close to done, kids. We are almost eating. Okay, here we go. Let's take the momofuku noodles here. And let's feather some of the vegetables on top of it. This is a healthy griddle stir fry. Here you go. And here, 1 shrimp, 2 shrimp, 3 shrimp, 4. There you have it, kids.